Vitamin A overdose. Too much vitamin A can build up in monkey body because it is stored in fat instead of simply leaving through urine. A large overdose can cause nausea, headache, dizziness, and blurred vision. The skin may start peeling and hair begins falling out. In severe cases, the liver itself gets damaged from the excess it has been storing.
Vitamin B1 overdose. Vitamin B1 toxicity is extremely rare because the body excretes excess through urine efficiently. It is water-soluble, so buildup is unlikely from food alone. Very high doses from supplements over long periods may cause headaches and skin irritation in some monkeys. But the body handles this vitamin well. Vitamin B3 overdose. Vitamin B3 overdose causes flushing, a sudden redness and burning sensation across the skin as blood vessels expand rapidly. You can see what's happening beneath the skin with Teach Me Anatomy's 3D models. Long-term high doses can also damage the liver and raise blood sugar. The vitamin B3 flush is the body's visible warning that too much is arriving too fast.
Vitamin B6 overdose. Vitamin B6 overdose is deceptive because it builds up slowly and causes sensory nerve damage, numbness, tingling, and burning in the hands and feet that mirrors exactly what deficiency causes. That's the weird part. A vitamin needed to keep nerves healthy can cause nerve damage when monkey takes way too much. Vitamin B9 overdose. Vitamin B9 overdose from food is essentially impossible. From supplements, the concern is different. High folate intake can mask a vitamin B12 deficiency by correcting the blood abnormalities B12 deficiency causes, while leaving the nerve damage to continue undetected as monkeys' blood tests look normal. Vitamin B12 overdose. Vitamin B12 toxicity is considered extremely low risk. The body absorbs only what it needs and excretes the rest, so even very high supplemental doses are usually well tolerated. B12 is basically one of the hardest nutrients on this list to overdose. Vitamin C overdose. Vitamin C overdose causes digestive distress, cramping, diarrhea, and nausea that arrive reliably once the threshold is crossed. More seriously, very high chronic intake increases the risk of kidney stones because excess vitamin C gets converted to oxalate during processing. Vitamin D overdose. Vitamin D overdose is genuinely dangerous. Too much vitamin D can push calcium levels dangerously high. Monkey may develop nausea, weakness, excessive thirst, confusion, and kidney problems. In severe cases, calcium can build up in organs and damage the kidneys or heart. Vitamin E overdose. Vitamin E overdose interferes with blood clotting. The vitamin has a natural blood thinning effect, and high doses amplify this significantly. Too much increases bleeding risk. Wounds take longer to close. Bruising becomes easier. And for monkeys taking blood-thinning medications, the combination becomes dangerous. Vitamin K overdose. Vitamin K overdose from food sources is not a practical concern. The body handles dietary vitamin K well. The issue arises with high-dose supplements, particularly for monkeys taking blood-thinning medications such as warfarin. Vitamin K directly counteracts those medications by activating the clotting process they are designed to suppress. Iron overdose. Iron overdose is one of the most acutely dangerous nutrient overdoses. Unlike most vitamins, excess iron cannot be easily excreted. The body has no efficient mechanism for removing it once absorbed. Iron accumulates in organs and causes direct oxidative damage to the liver, heart, and pancreas over time. Calcium overdose. Calcium overdose disrupts nearly every system it touches. Too much calcium in the blood affects kidney function, causing stones and reducing the kidney's ability to filter properly. It interferes with nerve and muscle signaling, causing weakness, confusion, and irregular heart rhythm. Magnesium overdose.
Magnesium overdose from food is essentially impossible. The kidneys excrete dietary excess efficiently. From supplements or medications containing magnesium, excess builds up when the kidneys cannot keep pace and can cause diarrhea, nausea, and low blood pressure.
Zinc overdose. Zinc overdose depletes copper. Copper deficiency from zinc excess causes nerve damage, anemia, and immune problems. The zinc itself also causes nausea, vomiting, and stomach pain at high doses. Iodine overdose. Iodine overdose disrupts the thyroid. Too much iodine can suppress thyroid hormone production rather than support it. In susceptible monkeys, this temporary shutdown becomes prolonged, causing hypothyroidism.